Welcome back to Live from the Camper, Outside Edition. My name's Tony, and today we're making some delicious Juicy Lucy's on our Blackstone Grill. And we're gonna make some French fries in the Ninja Foodi. We didn't forget about it, it's right there. Because when you're in the camper, you can have both. What you wanna do is go ahead and preheat your Blackstone Grill. Get it nice and hot on about medium-high heat. And now we're gonna start the French fries in the Ninja Foodi, because this don't take long at all. Get your French fries of choice, dump them in your crisper basket. Kind of spread them out a little bit and air crisp at 400 for about 15 minutes. Now that you got your French fries going, let me explain to you what a Juicy Lucy is. Up in Minnesota, there's a place called Matt's Bar. It is the original, debatable. There's another one down the street called the 678 or 679, something like that. They do all the gourmet Juicy Lucy's. But we doing Matt's Bar. That's the one we ate, that's the one we love. So we're gonna recreate it right here in our backyard. What you're gonna need is about a pound of meat. You need some dill pickles, some diced onions, a little bit of butter, and we're using brioche buns. You're gonna put a little of that butter on there, throw it on here and toast them. Tastes great. So what you wanna do is go ahead and put a little oil on that grill so it gets nice and hot. And while you're waiting for that to get hot, let's go ahead and get those hamburger patties put together. Now I'm just making 3 burgers, so what you're gonna need is about 6 patties. So you wanna take the meat, roll up in a little ball about that big, and just press it down to about 1/4 of an inch. I already did the other ones, I don't wanna bore you with it. So you want it about that thin and about that big. Now that your Blackstone's all heated up, we're gonna start cooking the onions. So I already put a little bit of vegetable oil on the grill. Now we're gonna throw those onions on there. Okay, we're gonna spread those out a little bit so they all start cooking. Take the cheese, fold it over so it's like that. Stick it in the middle of the patty, like that. Put the other patty over it and crimp the sides down. What's gonna happen is while this is cooking, it's gonna steam that cheese in the middle, make this molten cheese that's so good. It's been 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and open this up. And we're gonna just flip these a little bit. These are pretty much ready to go. So we're only gonna do them for a couple more minutes, maybe 2 more minutes. Come on. Go ahead and hit the tops with a little salt and pepper. Sorry about the wind, but we outside really cooking. Let them cook for about 6 minutes. Then we're gonna flip them, poke a hole in it so the steam can come out, cook them for another few minutes, and then we're gonna plate them up and eat them up. While we're waiting, get yourself a little butter, get your little brush, and we're gonna put some butter on those buns. All right, it's been about 7 minutes. Let's flip these bad boys over. Ooh. And like I said, go ahead and poke a hole with the sharp side so the steam can come out of there from that cheese. All right, looks like some of the cheese is starting to ooze out, so let's take these buns off. Nice and toasted. Looks like we got a lost one here. That'll be fine. Now unbomb that bun, get you a little bit of those onions, throw them on there. Grab you a couple pickles. I like 3. This is the pretty one, so it's gonna be my wife's. I'll put that on top and top it with a delicious brioche. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? And let's do that with the rest of them. take those French fries, get some salt on them. Take them out of that basket. Let's dump them right on the plate. How about if I send that picture to my doctor? Think she'd freak out? I bet she would. And there you have it, Juicy Lucy's and fries. Now, you want to let those Juicy Lucy's cool down for about 5 minutes, because when you bite into them, it's hot. Look at that. Can you see that? Do you want me to come a little closer? Let's take a bite of that. Ooh, good thing I'm eating outside. Oh yeah. Oh, that is so good. Look, see the cheese in the middle just starting to ooze out? That is fantastic. So I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Look at that. Good. Let's eat.